It's not the Quick Speed Shop. Check it out. I got the Jeep behind me. It's running now, but it's not going to be running the second. You're going to want to stay tuned to see what happens. It's bad. Hey, welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. It's Easter weekend. I got my family here. And what to do on Easter weekend, family stuff, we're going to use an old Willys Jeep to rip stumps out of the ground. That seems like the thing to do. Let's go check it out. So we're here. I got a 59 Willys pickup. My dad and I used to haul firewood on for years. It's got a load of firewood on it for weight. And my mom is here and my nephew Grayson. Hi, Grayson. So they're gonna...
Hi, guys.
So let's hook up the Jeep here. I got a big load of wood in the back for weight. We're gonna hook up a chain. I already tried one, it works. And let's see if we can do it. Here we go. Can you tell me where to stop? I can't see it. Here we go. Let's try it. Oh no! I need to back up another foot. Here we go. Let's try it. Got it. Holy moly. Who's gonna clean all this up? Yikes. Got it. Am I backing up to it? Tell me when to stop. Whoa. Let's get, huh? Is that any better? Probably not. Maybe. You come over here and watch from over here. Whoa! Whoa. What happened? Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on a minute. Whoops. That was exciting.
Is that the radiator?
No, hold on. Yikes.
Your fire extinguisher.
I guess I forgot there wasn't a battery hold down on there. Here, let me see that. And it burned. Yikes. Smoked all the wiring harness. That makes a good YouTube video. I turned the power off. There's a battery disconnect. Well, that wasn't good. Son of a gun. Did I get it at least?
Oh, 99%.
Perfect. Are you kidding me? That was really bad. That was really bad. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, that was fun. So now I've burned the wiring harness up in the Jeep. I've got to rewire it and figure out how to get it out of here now. Hold on, I'll come back in a little while. We'll see how that works out. Well, I think what I can do, let's get the harness out from these metal straps. I got two wires. That's why I wouldn't start. That's the starter solenoid. I can cut the harness back here. I taped all this up nice, which probably stuck everything that was burning together and burned the whole wad. I'm gonna guess. Perfect. Yeah. Oh yeah, she's cooked big time. Oh, looks like it's okay here. Good. So let this be a lesson to you. If going to be doing some hard yanking, that's what she said. Make sure your battery is strapped down, because you will have things like this happen, which is not good, bro. Not good. And this being old, there's no fuse panel or nothing on these old trucks. They're just wired how they are, right together. So things can get crunchy in a hurry. Whew. Crunchy in a hurry. That's my brake light circuit. It looks like it just got that hot. Luckily, it looks like it's just the like 3 or 4 wires that got actually burned here. The batteries, the starting circuit and the ignition circuit. The starting, what do you call it? Ignition relay right here, right where these bulkheaded apart, and the horn wire. That is the horn wire there, which is apparently right off of there. That's the alternator. Did it hurt that? I don't see any damage there. All right, let me dissect this the rest of the way. Here we are a little while later. I've got all the wiring fixed here. I didn't end up taping it all back together like factory just in case there is another problem. It wouldn't go nuts. But what I did do was I added a circuit breaker right off the positive battery cable. It's a 35 amp circuit breaker. So if it had a big nasty short like that again, it would pop the circuit breaker and shut off the power until I could get the battery shut down. So that makes it just a little bit safer. Like I said, there's no fuses, nothing. This is all hardwired right into the dash and everything. It's how this stuff came. So I ended up using that breaker instead of just a terminal on the generator, which is just acting as a lug pretty much, so there wasn't any protection at all. So now at least we got a little bit of protection. So it comes off the battery through a battery cutoff switch is in the fender, which I had shut off, then to the starter solenoid, then power into the truck through this wire here, and power to the alternator, which charges the battery. So we're good. So let's see if she'll fire up now. So let's turn the battery on and see. Hopefully we got some juice in the battery, didn't short it out. I think it's all right. This should be okay. So let's go inside here and give her a hit. Moment of truth. There we go. Bam. All right, she's charging. Don't see any smoke under the hood. Crisis averted. So I'm going to drive it up to the shop here. Going to make a metal strap that's going to bolt right to the firewall, come over the battery and bolt down to here. So that'll lock that battery in place. This is actually part of a battery box that I put in here out of something else, but it works. So Man, almost lost the Jeep today. That would have been bad. Can't tell if my brake lights are working. I assume they are. So I guess we're done yanking on this thing for now until I get the battery fixed. It was kind of rough on it anyways. So I'm going to use a tractor, rip out the rest of these roots, and bring a dig around the stump, maybe see if I can cut some of the roots and pull it out with the tractor. If not, maybe I'll use a Jeep later after I secure the battery. But man, what a little Easter scare here. Had my mom, my sister, and my nephew here, and they've gone home now. It's a couple hours later. It's getting chilly, but I got her all rewired. So that's it for now. A little short one today. Lots of action and a little fire. That's what happens when you're having too much fun. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again, bam, right here at the Quick Speed Shop. Don't burn down your vehicles. It's no fun.